Cost terms and terminologies. Learning objective 1.1. Understand cost classification used for assigning cost to cost object. Direct cost and indirect cost. In this chapter, we will discuss about the cost. First, we are going to discuss here the direct cost and indirect cost. The direct cost is the cost that can easily be and conveniently traced to a unit of product or other cost object, like any cost that is directly or easily attributable to product or services is called as direct cost. Direct cost includes the raw material cost, transportation cost, sales commission cost. Direct cost vary with product volume. That's why it's called variable cost as well. Direct costs can be identifying easily. When we talk about direct cost, it is related with the particular cost object. Total of all the direct cost called as prime cost. We will discuss later what about the prime cost, but actually the direct cost we have discussed that is related with the directly associated product, like direct material. If I am making a shirt, so the cloth or the fabric is the direct material, and the labor who is associated with it or who stitched that cloth, that is direct labor. When we talk about the indirect cost that cannot be easily and conveniently traced to a unit of product or other cost object. Any cost that is not easily attributable to particular project service is known as indirect cost. In indirect cost, there are a number of examples we have, like rent, administrative, office and accounting expenses, etc. These all are the manufacturing overhead cost. Indirect cost, fixed cost, or we can say that is fixed, don't vary significantly with certain product volume. It's also called fixed cost. When we talk about indirect cost that cannot be identifying easily. When we talk about indirect cost, it is on multiple cost object. That's why it's also called the common cost. Here, indirect costs incurred to support a number of cost objects. These costs cannot be traced to any individual cost object. That's why it's called common cost. The total of all the indirect costs called as overhead, right? So now we are going to discuss the other cost other than the direct cost and indirect cost.